Calcium carbonate is the main component of natural rock, calcined at the appropriate temperature after the removal of carbon dioxide decomposition. Calcium oxide as the main component of the product is lime, also known as quicklime. Lime powder ball press equipment is widely used, such as aluminium chips, coke chips, coal, cryolite, and other materials for compaction, granulation, or ball pressure, reduce dust, control bulk density, return to use, improve transport characteristics. The advantages of the ball press are reasonable structure, stable operation, low energy consumption, high-quality high-alloy steel forgings with high strength and wear resistance, and easy to fall off the ball and groove specifications and shape according to user requirements. Processing custom. High-pressure molding. No need to add binder. Only rely on their own strong pressure can be formed, pressed out of the spherical product. Density, strength, hardness are high, small power consumption, compact structure, to achieve a high rate of pellet formation.